back to another video here on my channel. Tiana here, of course. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the things that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into those items. If you want to see it, then please keep watching. So I have half of my order here, and I really wanted to get this video up because I know there is today is Sunday, so hopefully I get this video up today. But today and then tomorrow is the last day of the sale, so I wanted to share these with you. But I'm just gonna randomly kind of like pull out what I got. So I have been hearing great things about this cleansing balm. This is the Inky Oat cleansing balm, and it says it's best for normal/sensitive skin, and it just helps to remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. So I think I talked about the Inky maybe a couple times. I do have the beta hydroxy acid, I believe is what it's called, but it's good for removing blemishes, and I actually really love that. And if you guys are unfamiliar with the Inky they are a really affordable skincare brand, and they have some really good staple products like this oat cleansing balm. They have just some really good skincare products that can help with blemishes, and I love the other one. I'll have that linked in the description box below. And for me, I'm very simple when it comes to taking off my makeup or just cleansing my face. I've been using the Fenty cleanser because I really like that, and I also use the Purity cleanser. Sometimes I'll use my L'Oreal cleanser. So I'm just really simple when it comes to just cleansing my face, and I imagine that this will probably do a really good job. It says you can use it in the morning and at night, and you gently massage a small amount onto your dampened face and neck and rinse thoroughly with water. And then you can also use this as a mask as well. It says you just leave it on for 10 minutes if you want to use it as a nourishing face mask. So that's good as well. So I got this, and hopefully it will do a good job at removing my makeup and cleansing my skin. The next thing that I got is one of my probably most favorite hair products. Like, when I got put onto this, I am probably not replacing it for a long time. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector, and this is the number 3. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. If you don't get anything else out of the Olaplex line, I have the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, and this was the first thing that I tried. Like, I was watching some videos and people were talking about this, and I tried this for a long time on its own. I used to get the smaller bottle, but then when I went to Kohl's and I saw that they had the big bottle, I was like, sold. Getting this, because the small bottle for me goes within maybe 3 wash days. Like, it's really quickly, it just goes. So if you are needing it to repair damage, like, it's gonna go very fast if you get the small bottle, because you can actually use this 2 to 3 times a week. So when I was using the smaller bottle, the 3.3 ounce, this is the 8.5 fluid ounces. When I was using the 3.3 ounce, I would try to spread it out. So I wash my hair weekly, but I would try to spread it out like every other week. Then, you know, try not to use as much because it will go very quickly. Just like any other conditioner consistency product typically goes quicker than shampoo does. We know we can get conditioners and treatments and things like that in a bigger bottle than this. This was $56, so that's why I said this is the perfect time to get it, because it's worth it. It is so good. I use it, like I said, once a week, once every other week. I leave it on for like 10 to 20 minutes. I kind of follow the instructions. I know there's like different methods, but me following the instructions has worked. I absolutely love this, and it's amazing. I love the other products as well, but if you don't get anything else, get this product. It's just amazing. You will see results, like if your hair is damaged or you're suffering from heat damage, or just you need stronger hair. I have kind of fine, fragile hair, and I noticed my hair was so much stronger when I started using this. So definitely recommend this product. So going along with that Olaplex number 3, I have used this one before. This is the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So this is the other one that I recommend, and I've tried, like I said, I've tried the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, the hair perfector, and this as well. And this is the other one that I recommend as well. It does give you amazing moisture. The first time I tried it, I don't know what was going on. I don't know if it was just the combination of maybe the shampoo and conditioner I had used that day, but I was not impressed. But then after I started using it more and more, I was like, okay, like once I rinse it out, my hair and my curls are just like so defined and it looks amazing. And so I know I don't talk a lot about hair products here on my channel because I'm not a hair channel, but it works wonders. I definitely recommend the Olaplex line if you're looking for something to just help with your hair, moisture, damage, anything strengthening. Definitely recommend Olaplex. Okay, so the next thing that I got, I have been wanting to try this out for a long time. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I've been wanting to try out this product for the longest, and I don't know why. I just never brought myself to purchase it. I have the foundations. You guys know I have reviewed the foundations here on my channel. I will link that video as well if you haven't seen those videos. But I love the foundation. I just wore it yesterday and it looked bomb all day. And then I was like, why don't I get the concealer this time? So I got the shade Chai, and this is what it looks like. It's literally, I love the fact that I was saying this in my last video that the Lancome concealer is very similar to the packaging. I love that. And this is very, very similar to the packaging of the foundation. It's just like a mini foundation. At first it was kind of difficult because I was like, where's the concealer? I see the foundation and I thought that this was like a mini foundation because it is so large. Like the packaging is very, very large. It's probably one of the largest concealer packagings that you're gonna see. I've heard great things about this and hopefully it'll be bright enough. I thought the shade that I swatched was fine, but you guys can see that it's kind of like blending into my skin, so I might have to repurchase this in a lighter shade. Yeah, that's gonna be, yeah, it pretty much blended all the way into my skin, so I'm probably gonna repurchase this in a lighter shade. I probably need to go ahead and do that. So the next thing that I got is a new item to me as well. This is the Kat Von D lip gloss plus brilliant, wait, is that's not in English? I don't know what it's called, but it's the Kat Von D lip gloss. I love the rebranding that she did since she kind of like moved over to all vegan products, and I love like the new packaging. The shade Magnolia 60, and this just looked like the perfect brown kind of fall lip gloss. It looks very similar to what I'm wearing today. This is what the lip gloss looks like. It's just really nice packaging and it's a really, really nice brown color. Ooh, that's what that looks like. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. It really looks very similar to what I'm wearing today. So that's how that looks, and it probably would be a good topper for this. But I'm always looking for nice brown lip glosses because I typically wear like a brown lip gloss all year round. I think it just goes well all year round, especially for my skin tone. But I'm excited to try this out to see how long it will last. Like I said, this is the shade Magnolia 60. I have not tried any of her lip products in a while. Like the last one that I tried was Lolita, and those are still, I think, best sellers for her. But I wanted to give a new lip gloss a shot because I'm always using my Fenty ones. So I'm excited to try this one out. So the next thing I got was a fragrance, and I have been just really stepping up my fragrances. I have been into fragrances. I will have a video coming up soon of like my top fall and winter fragrances because I know you guys liked the last one that I did and I want to do an updated like fall and winter fragrances. So this one I got is, it's the Good Girl perfume by, I think it's Carolina Herrera. Or Carolina Herrera. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but it's the It's So Good to Be Bad version of it. And I smelled the roller ball of this because I was going to get the travel size because I usually always purchase the travel sizes, even though I know they're super expensive. But I try to do that before I commit to buying a full size. Oh my gosh. So this box, you probably can't tell it, but it's velvet or suede. Oh my gosh. Like, it feels really, really good, really nice. I almost don't even want to throw the box away. And if you guys are familiar, it is the Heal bottle. So I'm sure you guys have seen this plenty of times around. Of course, packaging is A1, But this fragrance, have I sprayed on fragrance today? I don't think so. So I'm going to spray her. Ooh, I sprayed too much, but it's fine. Oh, it smells really good. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. I'm going to put the notes on the screen because I am bad at explaining fragrances. The VIB sale is, or the insider sale is the best time to get fragrances at Sephora because of course you're getting a hefty discount on them. So yes, definitely glad I purchased that. It smells amazing. So these were sent to me and I have not had the chance to try them out yet, but they look amazing. And this was a new collection or new collab with Sephora and Lily Lashes. So this is these are the 3D faux mink with photo lash technology, Lily Lashes Sephora collection. This is a la Moana. Show you guys what they look like. They look really, really nice and dramatic. So I'm gonna have to find somewhere to wear these to because these are beautiful. And then the second pair are the 34th Street, and these are more wispy. So 34th Street and a la Moana, and they look amazing. I have never tried any of the Lily Lashes before, so I know that they're really like nice and full and good quality, so I cannot wait to try these out. You'll probably see them in an upcoming like fall or winter dramatic video, so I'm excited to try these lashes out. Okay, so the next thing that I have is a travel size perfume, and I did get this one in a travel size because I wasn't exactly sure how I felt about it, especially because it is not, I think I got it towards the end. No, I actually did get this one in a travel size because I didn't know how I felt about it because it's technically not fall winter scent. But so when the spring rolls around, I'll probably end up get this in a full size. But this is the Giorgio Armani My Way fragrance. And so it is in the travel size spray and it smells really good. Just a really good fragrance. I definitely think this is a daytime fragrance, whereas the Carolina Herrera I feel like the Carolina Herrera can be like afternoon, evening, fall and winter, but this is definitely daytime. I'm gonna wear it because I don't care. Most of the time, I don't really care about certain fragrances. Now, if it's like a very fruity scent, which I typically don't wear fruity scents, but if it is more of like a really bright floral, I have the Dolce & Gabbana Garden. Now that I probably won't wear in the fall and winter because it's just so like summer. It just screams spring and summer, but this I think you can get away with a little bit in the daytime. So love this, love the smell of it. Definitely recommend. I will be doing a fragrance video coming up, so stay on the lookout for that, and you guys will probably see some of those products in another video. I also want to purchase the Nars Soft Matte Foundation, so this is hopefully my reminder to go ahead and do that. So that will also be a part of another order before the sale goes off. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will have everything linked down in the description box below, just in case you want to purchase anything from what I just said from this haul. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to do more haul content on my channel. Sometimes I just buy stuff and it just sits in the drawer for months and I kind of have enough to do a haul and I just still never do it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.